So on my desk, you know, I have some of these stickers here, and they're not opened. And also, I regret not buying one of each because, like, how can I bring myself to use them? Especially, like, the sparkly ones. They're so cute. I have a lot more Post-its and notepads in here. This is all ones I got when I was in Korea. Isn't this design so cute? They're from an independent artist. Super cute items like Okay, so I finally cleaned my desk. I should have filmed it before. I was kind of dumb and I didn't, but let me assure you, it was a mess. And now it looks good. I'll give like an actual tour at some point, but this is kind of where my filming desk area is. And then I finished organizing my washi. So many of these pen holders. I just have so many pens. I just organized them because they were all like mixed together. So this one is where I have like my pretty pens or like character pens so that I can use it to take photos with. And here I have my Tombos and my midliners. Funny story about the midliners is that I never wanted to buy them when they were like so hyped like several years ago, and I was like, I'm not gonna fall into that because I already have so many markers. And then I have more at my other desk and I was like, I just don't need any more. I like the look of them more than anything. It just looks very clean and white. Sometimes the look of a marker pen kind of like does it for me. These two have my brush pens that I use for watercolor art in real life, not digitally. I also organized this section a little bit as well.
As we move further into place, investigators now believe they knew the location.
We knew that we were getting closer to closure.
So I just filmed a reel showcasing all of the new post-its I got when I was in Korea. It only took me like 3+ months to go open them. I just took off the plastic on everything. I get very, very lazy about like opening things. Like I buy stuff and I'm so happy I have them and then I don't want to use them. So I don't end up opening it.
Just